Alright, yeah. Alright. Oh, police. Look at that tattoo on his butt. Alright.
Give that pillow, baby. Watch this movie right here. Because if we be cold up here.
Stop. Stop. I'm trying to
Stretch your legs. You scoot over that way. Scoot on up over there. KK, you out back? Why you laying in the middle of the bed? They can't even Huh? See like they see you.
I'm sorry, which Kimberly? Hey, let's sit next to each other on the bus. No, I remember you. You're like a bigger gal, right? Yeah, you should do.
Don't put some doctor things on me.
Why? Doesn't matter. It never matters. Just
Man.
sorry.
Alright. I'm sorry. I'm back. Okay. What? Yeah, I'm throwing donuts in his butt. See that tattoo on his butt? He bumped his head.
Say it again.
I'm on YouTube. I'm putting the game on YouTube. I'm sorry. He said, I'm just talking.
It's gonna be a good day.
I'm hungry. Why y'all didn't eat my plate?
You know, I'm just trying to make sense of it here.
Everybody said
3 weeks ago, they brought you in as assistant plant manager, and now you got a day off? It's not a day off. It's a what? Retarded? It's a retreat. It's a retreat. I don't even want to go. Okay, I'm just following orders, so if you don't like it, then like what?
You better try to use that 1.2 right in it so you can put your values on it.
Yeah, okay. Now hold on. What you gonna say? What you gonna say? I got at least 15 years on you here. You got what, 4 years in some classroom upstate? Listen, man, you think I'm a sick man?
Not a good idea, Roy. Not a good idea. Move back to there.
How you gonna get away with that? No choice. He's the union rep. I fired him, and suddenly I've got a factory full of rolls. I want him over, even if it kills me. What
Stop.
about you?
Oh.
When are they gonna offer you that permanent gig?